are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.